All right, exterior corner here of this kind of, I'm not even sure what you would call this, like a kind of crap board, we'll call it that. But anyways, they did a miter cut and they didn't bother treating the corner, and so water gets in here and basically eats this stuff up. You can just pick away with my finger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this kind of top piece right here with this kind of plastic composite board, and same thing with this piece right here. I've already done it before. You know, the other option is you could certainly get some rot stop and kind of patch this in, but I think it's probably more work, and this color matches pretty well. So first thing I'm gonna do is cut this stuff out and meet you the next step. Okay, so this is removed, and gonna have to put a little tape on there, but the wood behind it is not rotten, which is good. But obviously we want to put something here to treat it so that this doesn't get any water. So I'm gonna spray a kind of shellac based primer on there to protect it. One little detail I want to share here is I made an effort to kind of pull back the wood right here and slip a piece of tie back there to kind of join the pieces, because you inevitably end up cutting a little bit of the tie back. So right here I did a pretty good job. I was a little bit more mindful of it, but nevertheless I'm going to put, sorry for the bad angle, but I'm going to put a piece of tie back here just to tie it all in. Okay, all tied back up. Trying out the best job. You not even do anything, but any sort of nails that were through the original tie back, they're not covered. And I feel like this gives me some protection again. Slipped it back there. What we're gonna do next is prime this thing. Okay, primed, a little overspray and making some metal spirits and clean that up. Okay, so what have I done here? Basically had to cut a little 1/2 inch piece right here because what I have was a little too short, so I built it up, put caulk in the seams, and we're working our way down. Okay, so finished product. I can't say I'm 100% thrilled with it. I don't like that rough edge there. I got a little lazy, kind of freehand cut it, but it's not gonna rot anymore, and not a huge fan of the caulk job, but yeah, much better than how it looked before. Let me know what you think. I think lessons learned by the appropriate length materials. I had to kind of build it up a little bit, but you know, caulk in between there where it hits it primed, where it hit the wood, the original wood, and I think it'll work. Thanks.